Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle, a four-star Sudoku in today's newspaper on Friday, August the 9th, 2024, almost weekend. And I've already solved one puzzle, the three-star Sudoku, so two puzzles are left, the killer Sudoku and the four stars Sudoku. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve, not now, but in the evening. And what's the news of today? Well, there's a surprise attack of Ukraine in Russia. Yeah. Surprise. Alright. The second puzzle, 4-star Sudoku number 9058. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. A puzzle with 25 printed digits should be indicated with 3 stars. Not a 4 stars. 4 stars has 24, 1 digit less. Well, for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. If it's a 3 stars, then I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number I can pick. Let me see. Two. How about? Well, we have here 5 missing numbers. 3 of those missing numbers are the 6, the 7, and 9. Oh, no. One conclusion. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Well, we have a pair here. 3 and a 4 in the first column, 3 and a 4 in the second column, so the third column. Only 2 places left of the 3 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left with 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, on the last column, the only 2 places left with 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the second row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row, so on the first row, only 2 places left with 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 in the last row, no 3 there, the only place left for the 3 I should be there, and all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 3. And now, need a 7 here, need a 2 there, need a 6 there, need a 2 here, need a 8 here. Let me think. 2, 3, 4, 2. Well. Okay. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. That means in this column we need a 4 in one of these 2 boxes. Yes, in this column we have 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. Here can be 4, we have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. Here can be 4, we have a 4 in the row above, no 4 there. Here can be 4, we have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. Here can be 4, we have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. So the 4 in this column could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row, so in the first row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now, need to wait. How about? Yeah, need a 2 there. Need an 8. So I need a 2 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 in the second row, no 2 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left with a 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row, 2 in the first row. Only 2 places left with the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, so last column, the only place left with the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left with the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left with the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can't see. These are number 2. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left with a 9 in this big square. Should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left with 7 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be in one of these 3 boxes. So we have a 7 in one of these 3 boxes. In this third column, 7 in the second column, so the first column. Only 2 places left with 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. Well. 4, 2. Come on. Need an 8 here. Let me think. How about need a 6 here. Need a 1 here. 1. I need a 1. Need a 9 here. Need a 5 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 6. We have 1 and a 6 in this row, so no 1 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 and the 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 9 and the 5, 9 and 5. So 1 digit left in this row. For number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, no, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4's are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 4. Here also 2 numbers left, the 9 and the 5, 9 and the 5. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. 5, okay. Then let me see. How about the 7 here? 9. Need a 1 here. 2, 3. Need a 5. 1, 5. Need a 8. Need a 9. Come on. This is taking too long. 5. What's happening? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, and a 9. 5, 8, and 9. 9, 5, 9, and the 8. Come on, need an 8 there. Need an 8 there. Need an 8 here. These 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1 and 2, 3 to 4. 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 8 and a 5, 8 and 5. That means the other 2 numbers in this column are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. Well, cannot feel this yet. 1, 8, 1, 8 and a 6. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 6. Here can be 6, we have 6 in this column, no 6 there. Here can be 6, we have 6 in this column, no 6 there. So the only place left with 6 should be there. So the 1 and the 8 are left. Okay, here 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 3, the 4, sorry, 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in the second column for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. The other 3 numbers should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6, 7 is missing, 8, 9 is missing, 5, 7, 9. No, cannot fill this yet. These 2, 8 and a 5, and I need a 9 here. 8 and a 5, and I need a 1 here. I need a 1 in this row here. Could be here, could be there. So no 1 here, 1, 1. Well, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and 8. We have 1 and 8 in this row, so no 1 and 8 in these 3 boxes. 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. So the other 3 numbers should be 7, 6, and 5. Need a 5 there. 1, 8. Here should be also 1 and 8. 5, 7, 6. That means 1 digit left. 5, 7, 6. Should be the 9. 9, 9. Yeah, this should be the 9. No 9 here, no 9 there. 9, 9. Come on. 1, 6. 1, 6, and need a 5 here. 5, 5. 1, 6, and a 5. Come on, come on, come on. 5, 7, 9. How about here? 1, 8, 1, 8, 5. 1, 8, 5. No. 6. Well, in this big square we need a 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 in these 2 boxes. The 6 could be here, could be there. So the 6, we have 1 of these 2 boxes in the last row, 6 in the row above. So that row, only 3 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 there. So, oh, 5, 7, 6. Look, we have 7 and 6 in this column. So no 7 and 6 in this box. 7 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this row for number 5 then. 1 and 8 are left. 7 and 6, okay. 1 and 8, 1 and 8, okay. 6, no 6 here. Need a 7 in this big square. We have a 7 in this. 7 in this column, 7 in middle column. So the column next only place level 7 should be there. 5, 7, 9. And look, we have 5 and a 7 in this row. So no 5 and a 7 in this box. 5 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 9 then. 9 in this row, 9 in the first row. So the row between second row, the only place level 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left, 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. So 2 numbers left in the middle row, 8 and a 5. 8 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. Then, let me see, 2 numbers left in this big square. The 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 1 and a 5. Here 2 numbers left in this column. The 1 is missing, 1 and a 6. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 6 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 6, so the 6 goes there. 1 or an 8, we have a 1 here, so this box should be an 8. 1 or an 8, we have an 8 there, so this box should be a 1. 1 or an 8, we have a 1 here, so this box should be an 8. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing here. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Here, 6 and 8 are left, 6 and 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 6 goes there. 6 on 8, we have a 8 there, so this box should be a 6. 7 and 6, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here, 7 goes there. 7 or 6, we have a 6 there, so this box should be a 7. 1 on 8, we have a 1 here, so this box should be an 8. 5 and a 7, we have a 7 in the second row, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 1 and 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 1 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes, 1 minute more than the previous Sudoku. Maybe 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Well, 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. Not faster than 50 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1 star. And we solve it again, And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it to solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the third regular puzzle. Until then, bye-bye for now.